No, next one. I'm just going to get you to read this one as you would, and then I'll tell you what it is.
Okay.
Just so you don't get ahead of yourself.
Okay.
Okay, cool. And see, please tell me you know this movie. Far out, Stephen.
I don't know who you are. I don't know what you want. If you are looking for ransom, I can tell you that I don't have money. But I do have, but what I do have are a very particular set of skills. Skills I have acquired over a very long career. Skills that make me a nightmare for people like you. If you let my daughter go now, that'll be the end of it. I will not look for you. I will not pursue you. But if you don't, I will look for you, I will find you, and I will kill you.
Yes, very dark movies. I love these movies. What movie is this?
That is the movie called where his daughter gets kidnapped. What's it called? And he's like,
Yes, it
He's
starts
on the
with an
phone.
L, his name.
Lion King, I'm joking. No, what is it?
Right, from Taken. But here's the thing. So the next foundation is rate of speech.
Okay.
So if you were reading that, and I was kind of just giving you some coaching, again, as you're reading that, think of rate of speech of having a scale from 0 to 10.
Yeah.
All right, so 1 being painfully slow, and 10 being as quickly as you possibly can, right? So you were playing around a 5. Very comfortable, that's your default rate of speech. Most of us, when we're nervous, we just have a default rate of speech. We fall victim to a default rate of speech. When you think about rate of speech, there's a way to use it. And the way you use rate of speech is, if you really want to highlight a point, creating an auditory highlight, slow down. That creates an auditory highlight. It's like a highlighter with your words. And if you want to be able to show charisma, energy, you speed up. And if it's not as important, you can speed up, and that's fine. This simple rule gives you vocal variety with your rate of speech. That simple rule.
And what does changing my rate of speech then do to the message I'm communicating? It makes it more memorable, clear. Okay.
There's more clarity in it, right? So for example, if I was speaking and I said, right now I'm going to go through the 5 core vocal foundations, and I'm going to take you first one through is the rate of speech. Then after that, I'm going to talk to you about pitch and melody. And then after that, I'll talk to you about the importance of the other 3. Right now, you have no idea what is important and what is not important.
Okay, right.
Whereas all of a sudden now, if I said, I'm going to take you through the core 5 vocal foundations, all of a sudden you now have a point of focus. And the big thing that people want with their communication is clarity. Well, if you are going to be more clear, the delivery needs to be clear so that the receiver gets what you intend.
Okay.
It's not just about the exchange of information, because how I say something impacts how you receive it.
So I want to slow down where I want to hit emphasis.
Yes.
Okay.
And this script has multiple places where you want to slow down.
When people are nervous,
Yes.
what happens?
They speed up.
They speed up.
They speed up.
Considerably.
Considerably. And
have they ever measured that?
oh,
Does anybody know?
if you get above 210 words per minute, you're a little bit too fast.
And what's the average person speaking at in terms of words per minute?
Around 150. You want to get to around 150, 180. That's very good. That's a good kind of rate of speech to be at. Whereas if you're slower than that, then again, it just gets a little bit monotonous at times for people. But again, here's what's fascinating. If all of a sudden now, I stick to a default melody and then stick to a default rate of speech, notice what's happening in your brain, right? All of a sudden you start to switch off, right? Whereas all of a sudden, if I start to vary my rate of speech, the transition from slow to fast is what's hooking people. So if you were to try to read that again now, but I want you to slow, and some bits painfully slow down and play with your voice. And then some bits go quicker. And then the last bit, I'm going to kill you, slow it all the way down and be playful. It's not about...
Okay, I'm going to start from here.
Sure.
If you're looking for a ransom, I can tell you that I don't have money. But what I do have are a particular set of skills. Skills I've acquired over a very long career. Let's skip to the end. If you let my daughter go, that will be the end of it. I will not look for you, I will not pursue you, but if you don't, I will look for you. I will find you, and I will kill you.
Yes, give him a big round of applause.
Thank
That
you
was
so much.
amazing,
Thank
right?
you so much.
But again, you feel so strange when you do it.
Yeah, I do.